What is improper output handling? Let's break it down. When I use a large language model, like a chatbot, content generator, or code assistant, its output might look harmless. But if I don't properly validate, encode, or sanitize that output before passing it to users or other systems, I'm opening the door to major security risks. Why is this dangerous? Think of LLMs as semi-trusted users. If I treat their outputs as reliable as back-end system responses, it's like handing the keys to someone I barely know. Even innocent-looking text can carry hidden threats if the context isn't handled right. A simple mistake, like rendering LLM output as plain text when it's actually a script, can activate malicious code or commands. Let's talk about common attack vectors. First, shell or system commands. If I take LLM output and run it directly with exec, or eval, I might be letting an attacker execute any code they want. Second, browser XSS and markdown injection. If LLM output contains scripts or dangerous markdown and I render it in a user's browser without sanitizing it, I'm just begging for client-side attacks. Third, SQL injection. If I let the model build SQL queries and run them without parameterization, someone could trick the LLM into deleting tables or stealing data. There's also file system path injection. Using output and file paths could allow attackers to traverse directories and access files they shouldn't. And don't forget email template injection. If an LLM generates HTML or JavaScript in an email and I send it unsanitized, that code could run as soon as the email is opened. Let's look at a few real-world scenarios. Picture this: an admin chatbot passes LLM output to a system extension that runs commands, and accidentally triggers a server shutdown. Or an attacker tricks an LLM into embedding sensitive data in its response, which is then sent to their server. Classic data exfiltration. Then there's the SQL disaster. A user asks the LLM for a query, it generates drop table. And if I don't check it, boom, my data is gone. Another example, a web summarizer returns unsanitized JavaScript which runs in someone's browser. Or a marketing email generated by the LLM includes malicious scripts that execute when opened. So, how do I prevent all of this? Step 1. Adopt a zero-trust mindset. Never trust LLM outputs by default. Step 2. Context-aware encoding. Always encode outputs for their destination, HTML, SQL, file paths, whatever. The OWASP ASVS guidelines are my go-to for this. Step 3. Use parameterized queries. Never build SQL directly from LLM output. Step 4. Implement strict content security policies to block inline scripts and unauthorized resources. Step 5. Robust logging and monitoring. Watch for suspicious outputs or behavior. Step 6. Rate limiting and anomaly detection. Look for unusual usage that might indicate abuse. And finally, secure LLM extensions. Always vet third-party integrations for safety and sanitize their outputs. Key takeaways? Treat LLM outputs like user input. Never trust, always verify. Tailor sanitization and encoding to each context. Use prepared queries, strong CSPs, monitoring, and rate limiting for layered defense. Want more? Check out the OWASP Gen AI Security Project at geni.owasp.org for the top 10 LLM vulnerabilities, best practices, and more. Stay smart, stay safe, because when it comes to AI, output handling isn't just technical hygiene, it's critical defense.